Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how you can purchase any product on Daraz with your easypaisa or JazzCash account. So if you want to purchase or buy anything from Daraz app on your mobile with your easypaisa or JazzCash, then first of all open your Daraz app and just select any product that you want to purchase. That's why I have selected this product. Now, if I want to buy this, I will click on this buy now option. When I click on buy now, I will just simply click on confirm to pay. Simply click on this. When I click on this, this is the section where I will pay through JazzCash or easypaisa. So here you can see there is an option called easypaisa and JazzCash. So if you want to purchase with if you want to buy through easypaisa, then just simply click on this easypaisa account. Now, after clicking on this, just simply click on pay now. When you click on pay now, it will ask you to confirm, then you want to purchase via easypaisa. So just confirm, you will confirm and your payment will be done. Now again I will go back, and if you want, similarly if you want to pay through JazzCash, just simply click on your JazzCash. Now here enter your JazzCash account number and simply click on pay now. When you click on pay now, then it will again ask you by notification that you want allow your payment. Then you will just simply allow your payment and your payment will be done. So this is the way you can pay through your easypaisa or JazzCash in on Daraz app if you want to purchase anything.